Well, folks, here we are, back on Skyline Drive. It's been an interesting day. We've already come from Richmond to Western Virginia here, and now we're getting on Skyline Drive. We've already been on Skyline Drive for about an hour, or Blue Ridge Parkway anyway, and now we're about to go through the ranger station and pay our $25 fee to ride. Hi there.
I'll get 25 off you today. I'm sorry you can't apply the birthday button.
Okay, you just want the $25? Are you in the military or a veteran?
No.
Okay.
This will be the last time I have to pay this fee. Next year I'll be 62. So I turn 62, I can pay 80 bucks and get a lifetime pass.
It's good for a week, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You need a map?
No, ma'am. Rick's finishing up paying his fee. Yep.
Remember, if I it's for me, you get an extra 10 years of life if you do it. I'll see you next year. All right.
Bye now. Yeah, so it's 25 bucks to ride from here up to Front Royal, unless you're military or a veteran or something like that. And once you turn 62, you can buy a lifetime pass for 80 bucks, which pays for itself in a year or so. Anyway, we've been riding all morning, left Richmond about 10 a.m. And I don't know, we got to Waynesboro just a little while ago and stopped and gassed up and what have you. So this is the most scenic part of the ride. Anyway, you're just not going to believe how stupid I was today. In fact, if you leave me a comment under this video, I want it to start with, "Craig, you are the biggest dumbass I've ever known." Just remember that. "Craig, you're the biggest dumbass I've ever known." And here's why. I'm packing up last night. I got everything in my garbage bags that I just pour into my saddlebags. And that keeps them nice and loose so they fit easily. I got my whole list of stuff. I got my new mount on the helmet. It's all secure, rock solid, tight. I put the mounting arm on it. Felt good. And I got up here today and I went to put the camera on the mounting arm. And would you believe I forgot the little thumb screw that holds the camera in the mounting arm. It's a little $2 part that GoPro makes, and it's sitting on my computer desk at home. Unfreaking believable. I have no way to mount this camera on my helmet, which would give you side-to-side view. So I'm sitting here pulled over on an overlook on Skyline Drive, trying to figure out how in the world I am going to get video of this ride, which I promised everybody on YouTube. I had no tape, I had no string, I had nothing to hold this camera in place. So here's what I did. I took my cell phone out of my RAM X grip and moved the X grip into such a place that hopefully it's not filming the windscreen the entire time. And now I've got the camera taking video through the windshield in a stationary and fixed position. So it's not going to be quite as scenic as if it were on my helmet, but we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully we've got some audio this way, and it'll be alright. So that's one thing I just got to add to my preparation kit, is making sure that I got that little thumb screw. Unbelievable. You would not believe how stupid I feel for getting such a simple thing that makes all the difference in this video. But what can you do? We're out here. There's no Best Buy around. Hello, Mr. Biker. And I'm just going to have to make do without it. What can you do, right? Rick and I hooked up at his son's place this morning about 10 o'clock. He trailered his bike in from Virginia Beach, and then we rode from Richmond to here. This time I got the backrest installed, which I didn't have before, so that helps a lot. Last ride, back in June, was rather hot. I had to take the jacket off, and all I had on, as I remember, was a t-shirt. Today, it's honestly been just a little bit chilly, and my fingers are a little cold. I have some fingerless gloves on, and I'll survive. I'd rather be a little cool than a little warm. But honestly, it's a little chilly out here. Down there in Waynesboro in the sun, I was actually overheating in this jacket. But now that we're moving along at elevation,